Hi everyone, this is Lena from Mindful Steps. Today we will do just a little fun session. It's all about I can. And this session will help you to feel more confident, more brave, more positive about something that might be tricky for you to do at the moment. So first of all, we're going to do a fun exercise called Follow the Beat. So I'm going to get my drum and I'll show you what to do. So I've got my drum. All you need to do is stand up and follow the beat of the drum. So if I drum slowly, you walk slowly. If I drum faster, you walk faster. If I drum really fast, you have to run really fast. If I stop, you stop. Okay, are you ready? So I'm going to move a bit closer. You don't need to watch me doing it. You just follow the beat and move according to the beat. Off we go. Excellent, well done, great. And now we're going to do a meditation. This one is called I Can meditation. So this meditation is going to help you to feel more relaxed and also more confident and brave about doing something that is a little bit tricky or challenging to do at the moment. So you need to find a comfortable place. You can sit down on the carpet or on the chair on the sofa, or if you prefer, you can lay down. So I'll give you a moment to choose your comfortable spot. Lovely. Make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. Notice your breathing. Is it fast or slow? Now we are going to take a slow, deep breath in. And as we breathe in, we're going to pause for 2 seconds. So you quietly count to 2 in your mind. And as we slowly breathe out, we have our mouth open. Let's breathe in and open your mouth, breathe out. One more time, breathe in and slowly breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Feel your body relax. Now I want you to focus on something that is challenging. Something that makes you feel a little anxious when you think about doing it. It might be learning something new, maybe learning your bike or to swim, or learning some new math activities. It could be making new friends at school, or standing up on the stage and sing in front of people, or it could be talking to the teacher. Have a think about what is it that is a little bit challenging for you right now. As you are getting in touch with that, I want you to take a deep breath in and hold it for 2 seconds again. And slowly breathe out with your mouth open. Ready? Breathe in. And slowly breathe out. And we'll do it one more time. And this time we'll hold our hand on our stomach. Ready? Now get back to that challenge that you were thinking about, that you were feeling. How are you feeling about it now? Do you feel frustration? Or are you feeling a little anxious again? What are you feeling in your body? Is it a tingling feeling in your tummy? Or is it maybe sweaty palms? Or is it maybe tightening in your chest? What are you feeling? Now I really want you to ask yourself, what is the worst thing that could happen if you did that thing that you wanted to do? If not physical harm will happen to you, then you can overcome it. You can overcome that fear. Imagine that fear right in front of you now. If it's swimming, imagine the swimming pool. If it's singing on a stage, imagine the stage. If it's making friends or teacher or talking to teacher at school, imagine the classroom or school. Whatever that fear, imagine it right in front of you now. Imagine how you're feeling. Now I want you to say to yourself, I am not afraid. No harm will come to me when I'm doing it. I'm actually excited. Excited to overcome this fear. And here's the magic. As I count down from 5 to 0 while you are imagining it, when I count down to 0, your fear will start rising up like a small cloud, higher and higher, and it will disappear as I count to 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can watch it slowly rising up and disappearing high up in the sky. Now this is the easy part because you've overcome the hardest part already. I want you to say to yourself, I can do it. I will do it now. Imagine that you are doing this thing now. Imagine how excited you are. Imagine a big smile on your face. In fact, I want you to smile. Feel that feeling of doing that thing that you were afraid of doing. Are you glad that you did it? Imagine if you didn't do it. If you let that fear hold you back and you would miss out on doing it and enjoying it. Well done. You are amazing. Now you can slowly open your eyes, wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and we will finish our session with a few affirmations. Affirmations are the things that we say to ourselves to make us feel better, stronger, happier. So we're going to say them out loud, okay? So just repeat what I say, and the louder the better. Are you ready? Great. I am brave. I am powerful. I am smart. I am amazing. Yay, you did it! Fantastic, great work. Finally, I wanted to show you this exciting thing. It's called I Can Bracelet. So you can make it yourself from a ribbon, for example, a little ribbon like this, and you can just wrap it around your wrist and tie it. Or, there are different ribbons, whatever ribbons you like. This is a stretchy one. Or you could maybe use some thread and just wrap it around your wrist to make a nice little bracelet like this. Okay, or you could use some thick thread like that. So all you do is you make a bracelet, wrap it around your wrist, and this is your special I Can bracelet. So every time when you're not sure about doing something, you touch your bracelet, you close your eyes, and you say to yourself, I can. Take a big breath in and slowly breathe out. And then open your eyes and go and do it right away. This bracelet worked for me, it works for my daughter, it works every time. So I hope it will work for you. Just make something that you like, and you can take it to school with you, or you can use it at home, whatever you prefer. Okay, let me know how it goes for you in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.